The manufacturing plant TE Connectivity, the international technology group located in Ottobrunn, is specialized in the production of shrinking tubes and power cable joints. TE Connectivity also provides training programs. Projects that trainees and interns are involved in require the repairing of cable reels using a cordless drill. Conventional drilling can be hazardous. One of our interns sustained a minor injury to his arm when the drill shattered, resulting in a small scratch on his arm. This prompted the trainees to say we need something here to prevent this from happening again. We then started thinking as a team about what we could improve. Have you got anything specific in mind? We need a protective cover for the drill. Let's take the plastic hose from the vacuum cleaner. It pushes itself back when drilling. We could make something like that with a 3D printer. That's a great idea. Let's do it. Initially, we had a vacuum cleaner hose as a basis and printed various models. We then invited our integrated degree students from the construction department to help. The trainees came to me and said they had come up with something and needed a CAD drawing so that it could be printed later using the 3D printer. I'm very happy with how the tool has turned out. It is just as I had envisioned. The protective sleeve is placed over the cordless drill, and it pushes itself back when drilling. Its benefits are clear to see. If the drill happens to break, the protective sleeve catches the splinters. Hands can no longer be injured when using the drill. There is no longer a danger of splinters flying around. One other advantage is that the dust is also collected, keeping the workstation clean. And slipping is prevented too. The trainees' initiative has made me very proud, of course. When I am in the production plant and see the trainees at work with the drill, the protective sleeve is always part of the process. The Golden Hand means a lot to us in Ottobrunn. It is an outstanding award for safety. We are very happy and proud to receive this prize.
It's an incredible recognition for the whole Ottobrunn team. Safety is on top of their priority list. So I was incredibly proud, incredibly happy that we won the award for the third time.
A clever trainee initiative. The drill protection sleeve from the 3D printer.